You ready? You ready? You're my little girl. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Today is Saturday and I just like painting my nails. My foot I use crackle. You know the crackle one when you put first layer and then you put the coat, the black color, and then it will crack and it's like crackle. So ngayon guys, nagmi-makeup lang, nagmo-mock up lang ako guys kasi I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on, not too much. So my sister-in-law is gonna be there, two sister-in-law is gonna be there, and her husband, and the other one is just the sister-in-law and the kids. Okay, so I will see you later guys in the car or probably before we go. So I'm just gonna retouch my lipstick because I don't line it really good. Anyway, I apply this guys before I iron. This one is the Garnier Flat Iron Slick and Shine. That's what it says. Always happy to see me. Oh, look who's here. Dimple Alert's here. Oh, this is Bugty Bug. Dimple Alert lang yun. That's Dimples. Ito yung binili ko para, I don't know if you guys see it. It's right there. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to bake this tomorrow because look, it's ready to be baked. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You're gonna be a good girl here? Are you gonna be a good girl? Okay, baby, you be a good girl. Oh my god, your nails. Somebody's hungry. Somebody's hungry. Somebody's hungry. Somebody's hungry, my love. What, you're embarrassed? I show them that you eat? You're doing mukbang, baby. Are you gonna mukbanging me, baby? Parang tapos na ata siya. So yun. So yun lang guys. Ba't hindi nagpo-focus sa akin? Ay, okay, where are going? Okay. I just wore this guys because it's kind of chilly out. So okay guys.
I felt like I was moving again.
Huh?
I felt like I was moving again. I had to pack pajamas, pair of underwear, a couple of pads, clothes. I said, my God, what am I doing?
What time is Isabel?
I don't know what time she was leaving, but she knows to be there by 3. I don't know what time Andrea was leaving.
Okay guys, we're leaving. You ready? You ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Oh, I'm
I'm asking you, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so I'll put this right here, okay?
Yeah.
I hope we can find the place.
I hope so. If not, well...
Well, we have a car. We have a GPS too. We can just like keep turning until we go home because we don't find it. Andrea, what Andrea has to say last night, she doesn't tell you what time also?
No, she didn't tell me what time she was leaving, so we're not meeting anybody. We should actually have made it so that we could all meet at the same time and follow each other in case of anything, you know? Which is what my husband and I always used to do. It was like a parade.
Yeah, if I'm going to Andrea, no. It takes forever, Mom. It's like longer time for me.
Yeah.
Drive. That's a different way over there. So I'm not gonna go over there.
No.
So what are you gonna do tomorrow? Are you gonna be with Andrea?
I have no idea what she wants me for. I have some idea in my head that something is telling me she's got something in mind, and she's not telling me.
What? All right there.
Somebody's got a blanket in that.
Hi guys, yung lipstick ko nawawala na. Anyway, I haven't vlogged over there in the other house in the party because with the family gathering, I don't even know most of the people. All I know over there the people that I met in my wedding, my husband's cousin, and then they invite people that in the other side, friends, like that. Katulugon ko guys, katulugon ko. Ba't hindi ato nagpupuko sa mukha ko eh? Anyway, I'm gonna go upstairs. And I'm gonna give my dog treaties. Yeah, I don't vlog much today, guys. I'm sorry. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. I'm gonna end this vlog now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Sunday. My mother-in-law is not here. She's with my sister-in-law because her grandkid, she doesn't want to stay over there. She kind of debating, but because the little kid, because he's there, my mother-in-law decided to be there because he wants to spend time with him too. So Roxy is having her breakfast. Misty doesn't touch her breakfast right here, and that's always every morning, guys. Something. Anyway, I'm going to have my breakfast. I'm going to have this bread that I got from the store. This is the egg nut rolls. Let's see if it's tasty because I like kind of like buttery, eggy, soft bread. I like that kind. And as you can see, if you try the croissants from Costco, you'll know that I love that kind of softness and buttery thing. And why it's not cereal? Guys, cereal's empty. I forgot to buy one. Parang pandesal siya. Tignan natin kung para ba siyang pandesal. It's kind of hard bread. You can tell. It's a hard bread. Parang siyang, we have a hard bread naman in the Philippines, but it's more tasty. This one is more eggy. No butter taste in it, nothing. Just need water. Kailangan lang talaga ng tubig kasi parang the soil is drier. This one. So water. This one to pineapple. That's good right there. Freezing! I'm just kidding. Anyway guys, mag-i-edit lang ako ng video. Today is Sunday. And then tomorrow is Monday. Early tomorrow morning, my nephew, Tommy's nephew, and my mother-in-law, I'm gonna drive them early in the freaking morning. Drop my mother-in-law and drop her grandson to his house. Dada na coming tomorrow. Dada is coming tomorrow, yes? Dada is coming tomorrow and he will bring Bunsi because Dada is like Bunsi. Yes, he will Dada now. Dada will become up here. Look at it. Dada? Oh, you love your Dada. Go get him. Do you wanna go get Dada? Oh my God. Dada is coming. Not today, tomorrow he will come, Dada now. And he will give you Bunsi. Do you want some Bunsi? And Dada will give you some Bunsi. Anak ko. Yes, Mysticals. Yes, Rock. Hello, baby ni Mama. No. Tell your friends. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next vlog, friends. See you when Mama pick up the vlog, friends. Roxy, look. Roxy, I want some bones. I will see you, friends. See you, friends. I will see you later, friends. So now, the two of you, is that your space now? Huh? Habsi Bug, Timpalot, Mysticals, Rocky Rock. Oh my God, the two of you are cray manoy. Oh, Roxy, get. Ay naku ba? Ay naku kang. Bilat na ukang. No catching up. Don't get the tail of Dimple Alert. And Hubsy Bug, look at their tail, guys. Hub's tail over there. Look at Hub's tail. It's longer, actually. Yeah, this is very short. Oh my god. Dimples, your tail is short. Everything in Dimples is short. She have a very short legs, small ear, and Hubs have a long leg, long tail, big ear, big eyes. I love my baby boy. I love my baby boy. Look at the face. I love my baby boy. I love my baby boy. I love my baby baby. I love my baby boy. You are the pretty Dimple Lords in the world. I love you, but can I kusi your cheeks? Cheek. Can I kusi your cheek? Oh, kusi your cheek. Oh, kusi. I pinch it. I chew it because I love you so much. I will pinch it. Oh, I love you so much. I love you very much. You're my little tiger. Look at that fish. You're my little tiger. You're my little tiger. You're my little tiger. You're my little tiger. You are my little tiger. My little tiger. Get it. And also, I'm waiting for my sister-in-law because she will be dropping my mother-in-law and my nephew here. And I don't know. It's not here yet. I don't know. I'm just gonna give, even though this vlog is not a lot, it's not long enough, but I'm going to end this and I will continue this tomorrow, or probably I will put this video together from yesterday. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in... Oh, anyway guys, if you are new in this channel, I'm always uploading every day. There's always a video on this channel. And if you're interested, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell in the side of the subscription. And yeah, and give me a thumbs up. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you all guys so much for watching. And yeah, so see you tomorrow. And bye! Good night. Bye.
Wala namang kasamukan sa buhay. So, yun lang, walang kasamukan sa buhay at
most people would like me.